Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Google Chrome latest stable version on RHEL 9. First open the Firefox, that is the default browser that comes with RHEL. Okay, activities, open the Firefox, then go to Google, then search for download Chrome, hit enter, then click on the first link, that is the fast and secure web browser. Then click on download Chrome. Then for RHEL or Fedora or Alma Linux, we have to select this 64-bit RPM package. Select it and click on accept and install. See, download started and its size is 111 megabytes. Wait until download completes. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, ls. See, here we have the Google Chrome current stable release RPM package. So install it, sudo rpm-ivh no tabs, then give the tab to autofill entire RPM package name and hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, now it is installing Google Chrome stable version, that is the 134. See, installation is completed. Ignore the error. Go to here, show applications. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it. See the checkboxes. If you want to make Google Chrome the default browser, select it. And if you want to send automatically usage statistics and cross reports to Google, select it. I don't want either of them, so click on OK. It is up to you. See, we got the Google Chrome. Don't sign in. Got it. See, we got the Google Chrome. Okay. So we have successfully installed ls. This file is not required anymore. rm, give Google, give the tab, hit enter. Ls, we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download and install latest Google Chrome stable version on RHEL 9. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.